There are various revenue streams that can be derived from advanced language processing solutions such as ChatGPT. Let's talk about them. Chatbot creation. Use the power of ChatGPT and other advanced technology to create chatbots for businesses and individuals. Chatbots can be used for customer service, lead generation, or other purposes. They may become the starting point of your new clients. Content generation. Unleash the potential of this language model to generate engaging content, such as articles, blog posts, or social media posts. Language translation. Allow the technology to translate text from one language to another fluently. Language instruction. Allow the model to impart its linguistic knowledge to students. Virtual writing aid. Utilize the solution to assist writers in composing emails, reports, or other written materials. Voice assistants. Leverage the technology to develop a voice-based virtual assistant for tasks such as scheduling and reminders. Text summarization. Use the language model to summarize text from long documents or articles. Sentiment analysis. Allow the technology to assess the sentiment of text and identify positive, negative or neutral emotions. Platforms. Build and operate platforms where ChatGPT or other language models can be used by developers or businesses to create their own AI-based applications. Research and development. Use GPT-3 or other cutting-edge solutions to conduct research in the field of language processing and natural language understanding and monetize the resulting intellectual property.